This is day 191, and today we are looking at how we can hide chart axes. So, because I have already labels here, which shows me the value of each point, it's quite pointless for me to again add the axis here. So I might want to hide these axes. So there are two ways I can use to hide the axis. The first one, which is the quicker one, is to just click on the axis, and once I make sure that I'm only selecting my axis, I then hit delete. Then I have hidden my axis, and to bring back the axis, I just click on the line here and then right click it and say add axis. Then my axis have been added back. Another way you can also do the same is to click on your axis and go here under format, and you go on here and say labels. Then you say you want to show none. To bring them back, you click again on the lines here, and you can see this line pops up for the axis, and I right click on it and it says format axis. Then under format axis here, I then just say labels. Then I say next to axis. Then I bring back my axis again. So this is how you can hide or show your axis. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something today. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.